Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing what might just be the best grip dog boots on the market. The best Grip Trex Dog Boots by LUCKYPAW. If your furry friend loves the outdoors, hikes with you on rocky trails, or just strolls across sizzling summer pavement or icy winter sidewalks, these dog shoes might be exactly what you need. Let's start with sizing, which is essential when it comes to dog boots. These are size 6, with a width of 2.6 inches and a length of 3 inches. Now, before adding to your cart, make sure you measure your dog's paws properly. LUCKYPAW emphasizes that size should be based on the width and length of your pup's paw, not breed, weight, or previous shoe sizes. They've even included an image and video guide to help you get it right. The first major feature of these boots is their breathability. Made with ultra mesh uppers, these dog shoes are designed to keep your dog's feet cool and ventilated. That's a huge bonus for dogs who walk on hot pavement, sand, or rocky trails during the warmer months. The mesh allows for consistent airflow, so no more sweaty paws or discomfort while out adventuring. Next, let's talk about the outsole, and this is where the grip magic happens. The rugged, flexible rubber soles have anti-slip textures that provide serious traction. Whether you're navigating icy sidewalks, hardwood floors inside the house, or slippery tile, your dog is going to have fantastic grip. Think of it as doggy hiking boots, but with the added bonus of indoor versatility. LUCKYPAW has also engineered these boots for durability. They provide a barrier between your dog's paws and hazards like thorns, broken glass, road salt, and even sharp rocks. Whether it's a snowy day or a muddy trail, these boots can handle some of the toughest environments. When it comes to getting the boots on and off, there's a really smart design at play. The opening is extra wide, making them easy to slip on even for dogs who usually squirm at boot time. Once on, there are 2 hook and loop adjustable straps that make the fit super secure. They're also reflective, adding an extra layer of safety for nighttime walks. Inside the boot, there's a 360-degree anti-slip lining. That's a clever feature, because it prevents the boot from rotating or slipping off during a walk or play session. Even if your dog runs, jumps, or rolls in the grass, these booties are built to stay on. Now, let's address one important thing. These boots are not fully waterproof. The toe guard offers some water resistance, which means they'll handle light puddles or slushy sidewalks. But because the upper part is mesh, water can still seep through if your dog steps into deeper snow, wet grass, or heavy puddles. So, if you're planning a trek through a blizzard, you might want to look into more fully waterproof options. However, for everyday rain, cold sidewalks, and dry trails, these are perfect. Another great use case for these boots? Recovery. If your dog has a wound or an area they're licking constantly, these can work as protective recovery booties too. They help keep the paw clean and prevent your dog from interfering with healing areas. So, who are these boots for? If you've got a medium to large dog who joins you on your adventures, whether it's the beach, a snow trail, or just daily neighborhood walks on hot asphalt, these are a solid pick. They provide comfort, safety, and a great grip, all while looking pretty stylish in black. That's our review of the LUCKYPAW Best Grip Trex Dog Boots. If you're looking for performance, protection, and a secure fit, these might just be your pup's new favorite shoes. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on reviews of pet gear, gadgets, and outdoor essentials. See you in the next video.